Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Julia Child's Vichyssoise. It's Women's History Month. In honor of my favorite chef, I'm going to make her recipe for Vichyssoise. Vichyssoise is a wonderful cold potato and leek soup, and this was apparently one of her favorites because of its simplicity. We just are going to use some Yukon Gold potatoes, leeks, chicken stock, salt and pepper, heavy cream, and garnish it with some chives. So let me get my mise en place ready, and I will show you how to make it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
These are our beautiful leeks, and we need to prepare them properly because there's a lot of dirt inside. So the best way to do it is to remove the end. And then we're going to remove the first outer layer. That's usually pretty tough, and we'll get rid of that. And then we don't want to waste all of this, but we don't want to use so much. So we just sort of like cut off the outer leaves as we go up and remove the toughest ones to get to the tender ones inside. Now, save this for stock, for a vegetable stock. And then inside this one, there's a lot of dirt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice down the middle, not completely, you wanna be able to hold it together. And then we're gonna run it under cold water to get rid of all of the dirt. And this one's pretty clean. So there's only a bit of dirt, but sometimes you've got a lot, well, there's a bit of sort of like a sandy dirt that's on the inside. So always run it, there we go, we got some there. So you always wanna be able to get rid of all of that sort of sandy, gritty dirt. See, it's hiding in there in those leaves. So we're gonna run this under cold water and clean it out. Now that our leeks are nice and clean, I'm gonna cut them. So we're just gonna continue cutting through them all the way. And then we turn it over on the cut side, and we just wanna cut nice thin slices all the way up. And then we're gonna measure 3 cups of the sliced leeks. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes in our recipe. We're gonna peel them, and then I'm gonna slice them and measure 3 cups in our measuring cup, and then I wanna scale it and figure out the weight so that way I can make this recipe consistently every time. If for any reason you can't get the Yukon Gold potatoes, a russet potato will do fine too. In a medium-sized saucepan, we're gonna add in our 6 cups of chicken stock, and then to it we're gonna add in our 3 cups of sliced leeks and our 3 cups of potatoes. We're gonna bring it to a boil and simmer for about 45 minutes. And then we'll use our immersion blender to puree the entire mass. So we get all of that in. Let's add in our leeks. Beautiful green and white leeks. And our Yukon Gold potatoes. So again, we're gonna bring that to a boil and then simmer for 45 minutes. As soon as you see it coming to a rapid boil, I'm just gonna stir it once or twice. You don't need to stir this that often, but every so often you do wanna give it a stir. And we're gonna lower the heat to like a medium low so we can keep a gentle simmer and simmer it for 45 minutes. This was simmering for 45 minutes and I turned it off, and now we're gonna use an immersion blender to puree it. So just gonna put this in, it's plugged in, and then now, if you don't have an immersion blender, you can put this in a regular stand blender and puree it as well. Once you get it pureed, we're gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I'm gonna start off with a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. We're gonna mix this all together, and then if I want to, I can add another 1/2 cup of cream. So let's just see. All right, I just gave it a taste, and I think I'm gonna add the other 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Now, because I use the green of the leeks, you can see that the tinge of the soup is a little bit on the green side. If you would prefer your Vichyssoise to be more cream colored, then just use only the whites of your leeks. Once you get it all pureed, you're gonna put this in a container that can go in the refrigerator and chill it. Here is our beautiful finished Vichyssoise. In honor of Women's History Month, we're highlighting Julia Child's favorite recipe, which is Vichyssoise, a cold potato and leek soup. And actually, it really was pretty easy. So I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our recipes on our YouTube channel. Take care.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.